square out my butt.
And that was on video.
Oh. Well, it has to come out every now and then. Okay.
We found a couple mystery bags. Well, we didn't find them, knew we had them.
Ooh. There's Nike. Little sweats. These are new. The tape just come off. Tommy Hilfiger.
PSO.
Yes.
It's all around the band.
It's another dryer. Infinite Pro. This is just found 2 bags. Let's see, King's Play sweats. What do you think? These look like noisy pants. I used to love wearing. Yard sale. Oh, yours? Okay.
No. All these I gotta check out.
Alright. What about the underwears?
No.
Yard sale. Socks.
If they're not packaged, then eBay don't want you to sell them.
This is Nike Crocs.
There's a slide.
Oh, okay. That's fine then. There's a. Whoa, these look comfortable. It's like a. Here's the slides to those. And here's the mate to the boots.
Boots aren't any good. Are they?
Right? Coconuts.
I don't know. I'll have to check them out.
Oh, here. Put them in your box then. Oh, yeah. Forever 21 pants.
Yard sale.
This is, oh, funky little shoes.
Nikes, need to find the other one. Air Vape Max Plus. To wash them, see if they clean up.
See, no, these go to them.
Yeah, all these will have to wash and
These are brand new. They look
pretty decent treads.
seem to be brand new anyway.
These have to wash.
See, this is them.
Yard sale.
This is the match to this big old giant
Yard
shoes.
sale.
These are ugly, actually. They don't look very comfortable, do they? This one, yourself.
The Air Force Ones. We need to clean them up. Yeah, yard sale. Yeah, we'll clean and wash them. 15, 20 bucks. Pittsburgh tool fit.
Oh, look at that.
We're going yard sale.
Yes,
So that's Harbor Freight.
people has been asking. We've got people asking us for stuff. Cool, that goes to these.
Well, we'll tell them we go through the storage units, and they know we find all different kinds of stuff.
There you go.
Mag for AR.
That fit mine? Mine. Pictures.
What's in this box right here?
Cartier.
Cartier.
That's got an R on it.
Yeah, but it says Cartier.
So far,
That'll still sell, an empty box.
for real.
For real, for 10 or 15 bucks.
Not at the yard sale though.
No, on eBay.
I was thinking, dang man, we found something good, but we did not. That sucks. We have found some really good stuff though, so I can't say that. I mean, I can't say nothing bad about that. So we found some really cool things. You know? This is matching to that ugly thing.
Hey, don't knock on them. They make money, 30, 40 bucks.
They're still ugly. Liz.
Huh?
Liz. A controller.
PlayStation.
That a cane. I could use that. Deodorant. This trash. Socket.
Ratchet.
This goes to that. Tiny little shorts. Little football. For knee. Trimmer. See if it works.
That bag goes with it.
What bag?
Oh, I thought it was in a bag.
And here's another one. Yeah, it is. You did see a bag. It's got all the...
I don't see a brand on it.
trash. Scent bomb. It's empty.
There's a wall.
Old Spice foo-foo.
I don't have that. Oh, it's empty.
Towels. Towel. Trash. Shorts. Trash.
Vans, slip-ons.
Nike shorts. Oh, it's got a hole in it. Trash. Underwears. Trash. These shoes goes here.
So, yard sale.
Retro. Well-known. Size mediums.
Put them on eBay.
Towels. Man, that has no name on it. Churchill?
Yeah. Swim trunks.
Oh, that was the one.
Armani Exchange. That one shirt was a fake.
People really care if they're fakes or not? That's kind of crazy.
Well, fake, you get caught selling, yard sales, flea market, anywhere, it's a felony.
For a fake thing, even
Yeah.
if you know they're fake.
Yeah.
That's stupid. But who am I to say that it's stupid or not? Oh, this is their mom.
Because if this is real, it's About $100. That's why I gotta do a hard check on them.
I can't get this off. I don't have my little knife. Do you have your knife on you?
No.
Okay. Well,
Scissors right here.
oh, shoot. Okay, that's even better. I'm going to get into a bag. But that's okay. These are, I'm not quite sure what
Open it.
I'm fixing to do.
When you're sitting there trying to guess.
Well, I was.
It's a kid's workout pad.
That's a little. I go to the yard sale. But I haven't a clue.
It's a vest.
That's a vest? I guess so.
Oh, turn it inside out and it's not a vest.
This is.
Look, there's a tag right there.
Some cool collection, bundle them.
For a baby then.
I'll wash it and maybe somebody will know what it is.
Pickle. Hold them up where we see what the
Oh. Okay, every time I turn around, it's like a little
curtain.
sheet. No, it's a, see?
Look at the deal on the very top where the rod goes through. On the other end. You got it upside down.
Nope. A sheet for this. This is a pillowcase. Yard sale. Trash. Baby bed. Mattress. And we got a little planner thing. And we've got bouquets. That'll sew it. Okay. Well, a little piggy. And bank stuff. And that's it for that. Wasn't very excited, but it was.
Is that all of it?
That's it. My nutty. There you go.
No locker food challenge?
No, that was, I don't know. All right, thanks for coming along. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, bye-bye. See you at the next locker.